Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Charles Schwab. Review my usage experience. Charles Schwab offers a range of financial services, from brokerage accounts and investment management to retirement planning and banking. This review focuses on my experience with their overall ecosystem, targeting individuals looking for a comprehensive financial platform. Key features include online trading, research tools, and financial advisory services. Their website provides details on all their offerings. Schwab emphasizes ease of use and aims to provide a seamless experience across all their platforms. They tout competitive pricing, with no hidden fees for many of their services, and no contracts for brokerage accounts. They leverage established financial technologies and provide both web-based and mobile app access to your accounts. You can check availability of specific services directly on their website, or by visiting a local branch. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Charles Schwab. Getting started was straightforward. I opened a brokerage account online, which was surprisingly quick. The initial verification and funding process was smooth, and I was able to start trading within a few days. Navigating the website and mobile app is intuitive. I found the portfolio tracker particularly useful, providing a clear overview of my investments' performance. I also experimented with their research tools, which offer in-depth market analysis and company reports, really helpful for making informed investment decisions. The order execution was quick and reliable, and I never experienced any glitches or delays. I did have a quick question regarding transferring assets from another brokerage account. Their support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, consolidating all my account information in one place. The standout feature for me was definitely the mobile app. It's clean, functional, and allows me to manage my investments on the go. One minor drawback was the sheer amount of information available. It took me a little while to get used to all the advanced settings and customize the platform to my preferences. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Charles Schwab. While it might take a bit of time to familiarize yourself with the breadth of their offerings, it's a robust and comprehensive platform that effectively meets my investment needs. That's my overview of Charles Schwab. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.